What is up? Why's the camera moving? That's crazy. Anyway, so today we're going to be doing the moisture barrier or vapor barrier, whatever you want to call it, behind the door panels in the Miata. And the stuff you're going to need today, I guess you can get something different than this, but this is what I saw a bunch of people using. I doesn't help you. So, let me put you on. So, I went to Lowe's and Home Depot. They do not have this. Unless we just couldn't find it. They don't have this. So, you can either order it from their website or Amazon. Ooh, so if you go online, it says Walmart has it. But I couldn't find it. I checked all over the place in the hardware section. But it's almost like it's an epoxy, but it's also like a tape. We'll show you later. And then for the plastics, this is what we're going to use. If you can get that measurement, I'll put it, if it's backwards, I'll put it here. You can literally get this anywhere. Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, Ace, anywhere. That's one place I didn't check for this was Ace, or what's another one? Southern Company. Tractor Supply. I didn't check any of those places, just like the big name stores. So you might have luck finding it. I don't know. But let's get into it. Let's go. So for anybody that doesn't know what that is, let me show you real quick. So the moisture barrier, vapor barrier, whatever you want to call it, is this thing. It's under the door panel, door card, whatever you want to call it. And look at it. It's got this epoxy on it. And it's falling off. Yeah, look at it. It's terrible. I took some pictures so we get the holes right. And then we're also doing that side as well. I done took both of them off. Another thing you might want to use is some gloves. You don't have to, but I don't want the epoxy or whatever you call it all over my hands. Alrighty. Driver door is done. And so it took me, this is like 2 weeks later. Last weekend was slammed enough. The week before I started this project. I used a few different methods that I read on Reddit, and I'm going to show you guys the methods, and I'm going to tell you which ones worked the best. So, first off, somebody said you take this, flip it upside down, and it'll pretty much freeze it, which it does. But see, afterwards, to get it off, you got to scrape it. And if you're not super, super careful, it's going to peel the paint, or bring the paint off. So, it's iffy on that. And then, somebody said use simple green. And, with your hands, of course. It didn't really work that well. But I'm going to show you guys what worked the best. So, you take this, Goo Gone, and some elbow grease. And it took me 20 minutes, bro, to get it all off. But yeah, look at that. Really hard without a tripod. But I got my stuff cut. I got a piece there, a piece here. I'm gonna cut it a little shorter so it'll fit better and I can get it fitted up. And then we're gonna put it on the doors and I'll show you guys what that looks like. I wish I had a tripod. I need to go get one. But yeah, I'll show you what it looks like here in a second. All right, so we got the epoxy put on. Let me show you kind of the design I went with. Not the design, but the way the tape's supposed to go on. Let me show you. That's the speaker hole, door handle, for the window. So there you go. And then I will show you the other side. That's the top. Goes along, down, you across, and then across the bottom. So let's take this tape off and get the plastic on, and we'll be done with the driver's side.